sauce is here. Let's go ahead. Oh my god. Oh my god. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Join me as we look for history in the creeks. Let's go. I just want to go this way. Alright guys, let's go down here, see what we can see. The water was really high, so it ought to be really good. So let's go. Look here at the erosion where the water came up. And it's breaking away the ground, pushing, and that's where a lot of these relics come from, and old bottles and stuff come out of the sides of the banks. Break off. Down here in the rocks. The beach. Took another old capers. So it had like a lot of broken here. Oh dude, it's a nice sauce bottle. Oh. Whoa. This is like 1890s, 1910. They used this stuff in the Civil War, this same stuff here. Dude, this is a nice one. Let me switch camera. Nice, Lee and Perkins. There's cork. On the bottom, JDS. Let's go, all right. Let's keep going. The water's getting really clear too. So let's go look. There's shreds. Little bottle here. Oh, bro. Alright, let's keep going. Here. It's really cool. It's broken on one side. Maybe like a perfume or something. There's a lot of broken glass and pottery. So it looks pretty good. So let's keep going. See what we can see. Some kind of black glass. Nice glass stopper. As you can see, the water came up and just ripped trees down. A lot of times the old bottles would be underneath these trees. Alright guys. Alright, now we'll go a little bit further, but I gotta go through the woods. So let's go. Dude, look at all this erosion. Alright guys, I'm here. The water was flowing over this, so I've seen like a lot of stuff here. I've seen a bottle in here. Nice. It's got a little broken. Looks like a swirl Pepsi. Bro, I just spotted this. Oh, dang. Alright, let's keep going. Perfume. It's a 1910 glass. Oh, right there. Nice. This one's nice. Let's go. See something in the water here. It looks like a milk. Nice milk. It's not embossed. This. Schlitz beer. Ooh. I like this. I'm not sure what it says. There, Miss Fitchco. Nice. Nice cork. Alright, let's keep going so we can see this water's like getting super clear. I can see really good in it. California fig. Nice. Louisville, Kentucky. California fig from San Francisco and Louisville, Kentucky. Interesting. A little screw top. Dang, I like that. This top on it, it's really nice. It's like a 1910 flask. It's super nice, I love that. Dude, there's so many bottles in this one spot. Let's see what this is. Bro. Dude, I'm gonna show you the other one I got in here. Double sauce. Double sauce. Nice, bro, right there. So cool. Would have been like a little flavored extract in here. Somebody probably made bread or poured it in their Coke or whatever. Probably baking. Beautiful. It's like a little clone stopper or something. Dude, this is like green whiskey. Pretty cool. A lot of broken here. Awesome. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. Yo. This one looks mint, dude. I don't see any cracks in it. Another Coca-Cola. Holy smokes. Oh, I see something. Whoa, dude. All this was underwater recently. They're telling what we're gonna see. Let's keep going. Oh dang, dude, it's a cool little sample bottle. It says syrup. Some kind of syrup sample. Dope. Bro, I'm looking at all this trash and I've seen this. New York Vaseline. Let's look at this. Dude, it's an embossed ink, but it's cracked right there. So, so much here, dude. This is usually where the coins hide, like in this iron and stuff, marbles and coins. Alright guys, I'm here. Let's look in. I think I see a marble. I'm not sure though. Dude, oh my god, dude. Oh my god, dude. This is a huge clay marble. Oh my god, dude. Absolutely bananas, dude. So this spot right here is super old. This is like 1910s dump. See this? These are from 1910. These are like old water heaters and stuff. Old tank, see that? All this trash is super old, so I'm gonna go through, see what I can see.